You don't need an expensive call center for your business anymore. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up an entire call center using AI. First, open this website by clicking the link in the video description. From here, you can use this AI tool for free for 14 days. Once you sign up, an interface like this will open. Now we will adjust some settings here. First, we'll select our country. Then, as you can see on your screen, we'll get a number. Now we will give this AI our business data. First, your AI's speaking language. I am choosing English. Then your AI's voice. From here, you can choose any AI voice you like. Below, you will also find other settings you can adjust to suit your needs, such as the call background. Custom functions automatically fetch and use real-time information from URLs. Click the Add Custom Function button to provide data. Add URL links to text messages. Automatically send URLs to callers based on keywords. For example, send a scheduling link when callers mention book a call. Click Add Favorite Call Number to automatically direct callers to specific numbers based on keywords. For example, route callers to your support team when they say real person. Add email addresses here to send transcripts to an unlimited number of email recipients. Below are additional settings you can adjust based on your needs. Enter your email address to receive notifications for every new message, then save your changes. Now we will call this number. After the call, you will see the call recording. Click the Calls option to view your customers' call recordings. You can also use the Contacts feature to save important numbers. This platform also offers an API. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more videos.